Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire. What if I told you that the first 30 minutes of your morning can decide how your entire day feels? Not your talent, not your luck, not even what happens to you, but how you start. Most people wake up already stressed. They grab their phone, they scroll, they rush. And before the day even begins, their mind is already tired. But imagine waking up feeling calm, clear, and in control. Imagine starting your day with confidence instead of chaos. This video is not about having a perfect morning. It's about creating a healthy mind. One small habit at a time. Stay until the end because the last routine might completely change how you see your mornings and your life. Let's begin. 1. Wake up gently. Stop attacking your mind. The way you wake up matters more than you think. When your alarm goes off and you immediately panic, jump up or rush, your brain thinks there is a danger. Stress hormones spike. Your body goes into survival mode. Instead, try this. When you wake up, pause for 30 seconds, take a slow breath in through your nose, then breathe out slowly. Say to yourself, today is a fresh start. This simple pause tells your brain, I'm safe, I'm in control. Mental health begins with how you treat yourself in the first moments of the day. 2. Don't touch your phone first thing. This habit alone can transform your mental health. When you take your phone immediately, you absorb other people's stress. You compare your life. You overload your brain with information. Your mind hasn't even woken up yet, but it's already working overtime. Try this instead. No phone for the first 20-30 minutes of your morning. Use this time to sit quietly, stretch, breathe, think. This protects your mind from unnecessary pressure and anxiety. Remember, you don't owe the world your attention the moment you wake up. 3. Make your beds a small win. This sounds simple, but it's powerful. Making your bed is not about being perfect or neat, it's about giving your brain a win. When you complete one small task, your mind says, I can do things, I am capable. That feeling builds momentum. Mental health improves your brain. Experience is progress, not perfection. One small win leads to another. 4. Move your body gently. You don't need intense workouts in the morning. Your mind doesn't need punishment, it needs movement. Try stretching, walking, light yoga, a few push ups, dancing to music. Movement releases chemicals in your brain that reduces stress, improve mood, increase focus. Even 5 to 10 minutes can change how you feel. Your body and mind are connected. When you move your body with kindness, your mind follows. 5. Breathe with intention. Most people breathe without thinking, but intentional breathing can calm your mind instantly. Try this simple breathing exercise. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, breathe out for 6 seconds. Repeat this 3-5 times. This signals your nervous system to relax. When your breathing slows down, your thoughts slow down too. A calm breath creates a calm mind. 6. Speak kindly to yourself. Your inner voice is powerful. What you say to yourself in the morning becomes the tone of your day. Instead of I'm tired, I hate mornings, I'm already behind, try I'm doing my best. Today doesn't have to be perfect. I can handle whatever comes. This is not fake positivity, it's a self respect. Mental health improves when you stop being your own enemy. 7. Set one clear intention. Don't overwhelm yourself with a long to do list. Instead, ask, what is one thing that would make today feel successful? Just one. It could be staying calm, finishing one assignment, being kind to yourself, trying your best. This gives your mind direction. A focused mind is a healthier mind. 8. Eat something nourishing. Skipping breakfast can increase irritability, anxiety, and low energy. You don't need anything fancy, even something simple like fruit, toast, eggs, oats. Food is fuel, not just for your body but for your brain. When your brain has energy, your emotions are easier to manage. Taking care of your body is taking care of your mental health. 9. Practice gratitude without pressure. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means reminding your mind that good things still exist. Every morning, think of one thing you are grateful for. It can be small, warm, sunlight, music, a friend, a quiet moment. This trains your brain to notice positives instead of only stress. Over time, this habit changes how your mind reacts to life. 10. Avoid rushing. Rushing creates anxiety. Waking up earlier, even by 10 minutes, can completely change your mental state. When you rush, your brain feels out of control. When you move slowly, your mind feels safe. Give yourself permission to start slow. You deserve that peace. 11. Create a morning you enjoy. Your morning routine should not feel like a punishment. Add things that make you feel good. Music, journaling, reading, sitting by a window, quiet time. Mental health improves when your life has moments you look forward to. Even small joy matters. 12. Be consistent, not perfect. Some mornings will be messy. Some days you'll miss habits. That's okay. Mental health is not about doing everything right, it's about coming back. Consistency builds trust with yourself, and self trust is powerful. So, dear friends, your morning routine won't fix everything overnight, but it can change how you face everything. You don't need to change your whole life, you just need to change how your day begins. Be patient with yourself, be kind to your mind, and remember this, a healthy mind is built in small moments every single morning. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who needs peace, and subscribe for more content that help you grow slowly and genuinely. Your mental health matters, and so do you.